Welcome. In front of me is an OUKITEL WP36, and today I'll show you how you can boot this device into safe mode. So to get started, hold your power button, and when you have your boot options visible, you want to hold power off. When you do so, it changes into reboot to safe mode, which you want to confirm by selecting OK. This will initiate a reboot, and once the device boots back up, it automatically goes to the safe mode. Now in safe mode, only the pre-installed applications will function, so any app that you have installed yourself will be temporarily disabled as long as you are in that mode. And obviously this is designed for troubleshooting, so if you don't have any kind of problems with your device, there's no reason for you to boot into this mode. So in a second you should be able to see one thing that it won't be working here, which is widgets. So those will never load. And then on the second page, I do have single application by the looks of it that will not work. As you can see, it became monochrome, so that's kind of how we can distinguish apps that will not work. And when you try to open it up, as you can see, it gives you this this pop-up, app isn't available. It also, this isn't visible on the camera too much, but the icon itself is much dimmer compared to other applications. You can kind of see now the comparison, and it's also semi-transparent, which you can see the wallpaper through it a little bit. Now once you're done with this mode and you want to go back to the normal one, all you need to do is hold your power button once more, and this time around you will select restart. When the device boots back up, it automatically goes back to normal mode. Now with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.